Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are going to prepare a healthy snack for a road trip. So I am sure I'm not the only one who is unnerved when watching shows like My 600-Pound Life when they blow their hotel money and their diet on the way to Houston because, well, their excuse is they are on the road and can't cook or don't have access to any food besides fast food and gas station junk food. First off, I can't speak on every gas station, but more often than not, there is fresh fruit available for sale at gas stations. If you don't want to eat fruit or vegetables while on the road trip, well, that's different than there not being any way to eat healthy while on the road. Now in this video, I am getting ready for a trip. I'll be driving across a few states and then returning the following day. So I'm preparing my snacks for the trip there and the trip back. Let's go. I do like to have a little variety so I don't get bored munching on the same thing on and off for hours. So you could gather 3, 4, or 5 items that you love and pack them up. So I just chose a small assortment. I have red seedless grapes, peaches, broccoli, celery, and carrots. I'm just going to use a simple 3-compartment meal prep container. I'll link them below. I'm using 2, one for the drive there and one for the drive back. And voila! This is just what I chose to snack on during my trip. There's obviously many other good snack options. My pro tip is that a little forethought can save you time, money, and your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.